As Dr. Michael Kofink said, water is life, but only when it is alive. And most of the water that people encounter is dormant, comatose, and not very lively or energized at all, and it's often actually traumatized. The good news is that all water, however polluted or comatose, can be brought back to life. All water can be revived if you know how. So even the water that's been used as a weapon of war, like the Israeli poisoned waters in Palestine, even the water that has been used as a carrier of pesticides and chemical weapons, even the city water that has been recycled through sewage systems countless times and is full of pharmaceuticals, covertly drugging metropolitan populaces, the water that has been used to store radioactive effluents, you name it, all water can be revived. Even these liquid purveyors of death can once again be turned into a source of life, and in fact, they must be, because water is the physical body of our collective unconscious. It's the corporeal form of humanity's psyche, and when water is polluted, so are our collective emotions and our subconscious drives as a species. If we want collective healing, peace, harmony, brotherhood, amity, and reconciliation on earth, then the waters have to be honored. But it's not easy. Cleaning water is tricky, and the commonly touted solutions like nanotech and desalination are just greenwashed money-making schemes that ultimately harm water more than they help her. The best way to resolve and restore water is to mimic the way that nature herself restores water. We have collectively treated water worse than we would treat any living being, and yet she's the source of life itself. We've waged a silent war against the source of life itself. It is time to let water lead the way and to restore hydrological balance and crystallinity. Water affects our quality of life both personally and collectively, both physically and energetically. All water is good water, and all water can be revived. So let's bring life back to our source and watch how our source in turn enlivens this dying, drying world. So to learn how to bring any water back to life, how to turn tap water, bottled water, or any other kind of water into spring quality, living, hydrating elixir of life, enroll in my Navigating the Waters e-course. It's just $33 at waterslife.academy.